What are microservices, and how do they differ from monolithic architecture? Imagine you are building an online store. There are different parts to it: user accounts, product listings, payments, and order management. Now, let's compare monolithic architecture and microservices using this example. In a monolithic system, everything is combined into one big application. All the features, user accounts, products, payments, etc., are packed together. If you want to change or update one part, like the payment system, you need to work on the entire application. It's easier to develop at the beginning, but it's hard to update, scale, or fix because everything is connected. If one part breaks, the whole system can fail. Think of it like a single building. If one room needs renovation, the whole building is affected. In microservices, each feature, like user accounts, payments, and products, is built as a separate service that works independently. Each service can be updated, fixed, or scaled without affecting others. It's easier to maintain, scale, and update specific parts, but it's more complex to manage since you have many small services talking to each other. Imagine a city with separate buildings for each function. If you need to update the payment system, you only work on that building without touching others. The key differences are: monolithic architecture has one large code base, while microservices architecture has many small, independent services. Monolithic is hard to scale parts separately, while microservices makes it easy to scale individual services. Maintenance is difficult in monolithic because one change affects all, whereas it's easier in microservices to update specific services. Deployment in monolithic requires deploying the entire app at once, while in microservices, you can deploy each service independently. In monolithic, one error can crash everything, but in microservices, one error affects only that service. In simple words, monolithic is one big application, which is simple but hard to change, while microservices are many small applications, which are flexible but complex.